At Zopo Speed 7, and let me show you how to activate safe mode on the following device. So all you have to do is tap in on the power key and hold it for about 3 or 5 seconds, and then keep holding on power off until you see the notification about rebooting to safe mode. So as you can see, this mode will disable all third-party applications that you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. So if you truly want to activate safe mode, just click on OK and wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, here is the notification that you are in safe mode, so you can use your device with all third-party apps deactivated. Then if you would like to go back to normal mode, just tap on power key and hold it for a while. And then click on reboot. Click on OK. And that's it. Now you are back into the standard mode, so you can use your device as you do it usually. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.